Isa sa bawat anim na may kapansanan nakakaranas ng matinding kahirapan. Ito ayon sa Disability Without Poverty na naglabas ng Disability Report 2025 kamakailan.
1 in 6 is actually not as uncommon as one might think.
Si Kate Salonga ay isang disability advocate at author mula British Columbia. Anya, di niya raw ikinagulat ang mga datos na nailathala sa report card. Sa nasabing report, sinabing kahit pa ipinatupad na ng Canada ang disability benefit, di raw ito sapat para masuportahan ang mga taong nais tulungan ng nasabing programa.
A lot of people have trouble given that they're disabled. That extra $200, you have to have something else in order to access that.
Ang sentimiento ni Salonga sinagundahan din ni Rabia Keder, National Director ng Disability Without Poverty, kung saan binigyan ng markang D ang Canada dahil daw tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang disability poverty sa bansa.
This year, we are giving the government a D. We're giving them a pass, but we're saying there's a lot more work to do. When times get tough for able-bodied Canadians in positions of power, i.e. government, listen to the majority and leave the minority behind.
Sa report, doble raw ang nararanasang kahirapan ng mga may kapansanan kumpara sa mga taong walang disabilities.
Isa sa bawat 3 taong merong disability, naninirahan daw mag-isa at below poverty line.
Kinakailangan din daw ng mga may kapansanan ng 30% dagdag kita upang maabot ang market basket measure poverty threshold.
There's this theory in the chronic illness universe called spoon theory. I'm not sure if you've heard of it, but it's basically like, say, a normal person has 20 spoons to get through the day, and 1 spoon represents, getting ready for work and getting out the door. For somebody maybe with a chronic illness, that 1 spoon could maybe just be getting up.
Si Salonga na patuloy tinutulak ang advokasya, ibinahagi rin ang kanyang kwento sa aklat na pinamagatang Through Our Lens, kung saan ibinahagi ang karanasan bilang differently abled sa North America. Anya, mainam daw lawakan ang pag-unawa lalo't may ilang uri ng disability na di nakikita.
That person sitting next to you on the train, you might not even know that just because they don't appear to have a setback or some sort of visual difference, that they're actually might be, in some way suffering from other things that might not be as apparent.
Ang Disability Without Poverty nanawagan ng mas mabilis na aksyon at gawing accessible ang Canada Disability Benefit. Si Salonga, idiniin din na lahat ng tao may papel at ambag sa lipunan.
People really just need to see we're just a part of society like everybody else. We have things to contribute.
Pat Fernandez, Omni News, Vancouver.